This is a handy little device, a little wheel designed to help us calculate equivalent exposures. You can see from our selection here that we have a 30th of a second at f4 selected, which also would indicate to us that a 15th of a second, a slower shutter speed by one stop, offers us the exact same exposure as f4 closing down to 5.6. A 30th at f4 is the same amount of light as a 15th at 5.6, which will be the exact same amount of light through to our film or our sensor as an 1/8 of a second at f8, which will be the exact same amount of light to our film or sensor as a 1/2 a second at f16. Of course, f16 offers us greater depth of field potential. A 1/2 a second won't stop as much motion. At this end, we can see we can shoot at a 60th of a second at f2.8. Once again, exactly the same amount of light, but less depth of field potential at f2.8 and greater motion stopping capabilities at 1/60th. We can rearrange this for new shutter aperture combinations, which of course are dependent on the current brightness conditions. Right now, I have a 15th of a second at f16, which means to us from this wheel that a 2/50th of a second at f4 offers exactly the same quantity of light through to our film or our sensor. All of these selections offer exactly the same amount of light through to our sensor or our film, maintaining the same brightness level.